got on my shoe, man.
Yeah. Cheese explosion. Tighten your bottles. Just tighten them bottles.
Every time I've screwed a bottle closed, I've been able to tell if it's against or if it's like screwed right.
And you couldn't feel it on that one?
Well, no, it's not that I couldn't feel it. I just, I expect it to be closed.
Dude, you must have hit that cheese pretty hard to get it that high up on your shoulder.
Yeah. You know where the dustpan is?
Do dishes one day, and one day you might be a millionaire. Not about dishes. This is a manageable amount of dishes. You should see how many dishes sometimes I've had to do at Subway. Especially on a late night when you got nobody else with you and you got a mound of dishes. It's basically doing dishes like this for an hour and a half.
Right.
So do them dishes with a good attitude, right?
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes it's also like, don't feel like if you're the closer that the dishes are only your problem. If you want to ask whoever's with you till 9, if you want to ask them to work on the dishes for a while, you can do that. When you're the closer, you're kind of like the shift lead, so you can always ask people to, they technically do have to listen to your stuff, at least according to me. So if you ever get slackers, you can command them a little bit. But obviously, if they're not listening, it is what it is. But if that ever happens, and someone
People just leave dishes on you.
yeah, well, if that ever happens, let me know. I can at least talk to people.